Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, best selling author of two books The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India, and the Global Marketplace. And this one is a business book, and this one, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, is a cozy mystery where I have, in a very unique way, talked about bioterrorism. And when this book came in 2019, there was no trace of coronavirus. And here, like what coronavirus did, it is like the same way, a virus spreads and it ruins the human population. So these two books were bestsellers on Amazon, and if you haven't bought my book, please go and buy these two books. And these are available in paperback and in Nook and Kindle, as well as in audiobooks, and it is available wherever books are sold. Having said that, friends, now do you know how to become a best selling author? I give a special webinar and class on that. So if you want to join that class, or if you want me to come to your site or give you a webinar on this, how to become a best-selling author, then please give me write me an email, afshan at drafshanhashmi.com. And there are many ways how you can become a best-selling author, and I will share my secrets with you. And first of all is your Amazon page on author page on your Amazon website is optimized. Do you have the right keywords there? So I can do a research of keywords and write a description for you, as well as I can optimize your Amazon page and see like the right traffic goes there. I can even help you in bringing traffic to your Amazon page or your website or whatever you are promoting. And friends, so how to become a best-selling author on Amazon? It is like various strategies you have to employ, and it is all about the sales of the book. So I can optimize that. Even I can tell you like how much your competitor is making and what are his or her keywords, and I can do my research on that. So if you have those kind of needs, please email me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com. And also, friends, what do you think? Do you want me to be your beta reader or your reviewer? I have those kind of services also. So go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see those services what I provide. And I can even write a book for you or about your company, and I can be a spokesperson for your company. And so just go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see what is there. And also I have a radio show where I promote authors and publishers and businesses. So go to this same website www.afshanhashmi.com and see how much is the service. It's in a very nominal charge. I do it to help small companies and independent authors, as well as authors and publishers, big or small, all are welcome to join. And having said that, please remember to buy my book, which is the Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, as well as The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, and give me an honest review. And friends, this is all I have to say today, and see you in another video. And cheers and love you all, my friends. As well as friends, I have a TV show and Glam World with Dr. Afshan Hashmi, which comes on Fox 5 Plus. So, and I'm looking for sponsorships there also, and it has a reach of 6.2 million viewers. And my radio show on W4WN has a reach of 300 million listeners. So give me sponsorship and get promoted to these amount of listeners and viewers. And cheers and bye bye.